If your Yahoo Mail inbox is getting flooded with newsletters, promotions, or emails you no longer want, this video is going to help you clean things up fast. Today, I'm showing you how to unsubscribe email on Yahoo Mail in just a few simple steps. This is one of the easiest ways to reduce clutter, save time, and keep your inbox focused on the messages that actually matter. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Yahoo Mail and find the email you want to stop receiving. You can do this from your inbox or by searching for the sender if you already know which email you want to remove. Once you have the message open, look toward the top of the email. In many cases, Yahoo Mail will show an unsubscribe option right there, making it easy to stop future messages from that sender. Click unsubscribe when you see it. After that, Yahoo Mail or the sender may ask you to confirm your choice, so go ahead and click Confirm to finish the process. In some emails, the unsubscribe link may appear near the top of the message, while in others it might be placed a little lower, so take a moment to scan the email carefully. If you're dealing with a lot of unwanted messages, you can repeat these steps for each sender you no longer want in your inbox. Just remember that unsubscribing is the safest and cleanest way to reduce email spam from legitimate mailing lists, because it removes you from the sender's future emails instead of just deleting the message one by one. If you don't see an unsubscribe option, be careful and make sure the email is from a trusted sender before clicking anything. Sometimes promotional emails include their own unsubscribe button inside the message, and Yahoo Mail may also help surface that option for you automatically. Once you confirm, you should no longer receive those emails going forward, although it can sometimes take a short while for the change to fully take effect. After unsubscribing, it's a good idea to check your inbox over the next few days to make sure the sender has stopped emailing you. If not, you may need to repeat the process or mark the message as spam if the emails continue. And that's it. You've now learned how to unsubscribe email on Yahoo Mail quickly and easily. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.